There's 15 cans and 9 aerial bags. Alright, we are going to dip into this powder mountain just a little bit. And then we will do even more powder bombs for the rest of our cans that we've got. And the other half of that aerial bag. I do have $2 sifted recycled, yes. I will have to grab that off of my porch though. Wait, what did she say? Sorry you guys, there is a bug in here that is currently stuck in the lampshade. Thank you so much for the gifts. Thank you, love. I should probably do my recycled for one, honestly. I don't know how much I have. It's a pretty decent sized tote and it's like half full. So I can't give you a recycled count, but I can do it for one because I haven't made any in a while. It's kind of just been sitting. It's getting super thick. Plus, I don't know what I've been seeing creators sell it for. I feel like a lot of creators are doing 3 for $5. I have 1 pine pineolin, yes. Yes, I do sift my powder by hand. I gotta take my shirt off. I don't want to ruin this shirt. I am a sports girl, you guys, so it's okay. Pine Panelin is 3, babe. This one's not pretty no more. Stitch is coming out. Girl, me too. It's so good. Sorry, guys. I promise I'm not usually this quiet. Stitch is getting a little tired. I'm not sure, love. It really just depends how the night goes. I just got on, so we've still got plenty of time to make that decision.